Hello, my name is Donna Wilson, and we're going to talk about breathing right now and how breathing, changes with activities. But first I'd like to say that I know that when you have a cancer treatment, sometimes you're tired, or even post-surgery, you might feel that you can't take a deep breath. So let's work on that. Let's try to work on having you take the biggest, deepest breath you can. Breathing in is half the time as breathing out. So I want you to breathe in for the count of 4. Hold the breath for the count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And blow out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take another deep breath in through your nose. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And blow it all out. You'll notice when you breathe in through your nose, you use the largest muscle for breathing, which is your diaphragm. So you get that nice, deep air into the lungs. So let's do one more. Breathe in, hold the breath, and blow it all out. Now I want to tell you that the most important thing to remember is breathing out is more important than breathing in. So when you lift something, when you push something, when you pull something, when you bend over, you always breathe out. So let's go ahead and do a few arm movements and flexibility stuff to get yourself for breathing. So put your arms forward and your thumbs back, and you're going to breathe in as the shoulders go up and breathe out as the shoulders go down. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And feel that when your arms are back and your thumbs are back, it really opens up your chest. Now let's put your arms out to the side and let's breathe out as we come forward. And open your chest and breathe in. Again, breathe out through your lips. And breathe in. And arms down. I will like to mention is that when you're outside and it's very windy or it's very cold, think about breathing in and out of your nose because it's a great filtering system for the air. Also remember that when you're going up steps, which is always very difficult, when you put one foot on the step, you breathe out. When you put your other foot on the step, I want you to breathe out. So think about breathing out as you go up the steps. Remember, never hold your breath. Never hold your breath when you're doing any kind of exercise. So let's go ahead and do one more. We're going to put our legs out. We'll put our arms out. Breathe out as our arms go up over our head. And breathe in nice and easily. Breathe out as you go up over your head and down. Remember never to hold your breath during exercises. This is the end of the breathing exercises, and I hope they will be helpful to you. Thank you.